Guys, and good morning. Today's Friday. Mean is the last day of the week. Well, last working day for us. It's also vacation tonight for Tyler. Mean for the next 2 weeks he won't go to school. He will stay home with us, or should I say with Bay mainly. So yeah, it's gonna be his last day at school. I hope he's gonna enjoy it. From what I understood, they're gonna give us some things at the end of the day, like a book for Tyler, about all of the things that he have done during his first 2 months. So hopefully we get that book. Hopefully we can show you that book. So if you want to know if we have the book, if you want to see the book, you just have to stay with us. And yeah, we're also going to Avignon, so it's gonna be a full day. I will go to work. Hopefully I won't be too tired. Babe have things to do too, and yeah, we catch you guys along the way.
Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, it's a brand new day in the Delaveaus household and it's a busy day today. Today's gonna be a super busy day. Right now, I got dressed, Tyler is ready for school and we're both heading out. I'm heading out to drop Tyler to school first, and then after that I am going to get back home, grab something to eat real quick and jump on a bus to go to my nail appointment because I have to go and get my nail done today. What do you say to the face?
Look.
Say good morning, face.
Good morning, Facebook. Mama for the job.
Wow, you make it?
Yeah.
Good job. You guys, this day is just gonna be super busy, so I'm coming on to start the vlog real quick before we head out. But first, before I go ahead and start today's vlog, I just want to give a sincere apology to one of my, what should I call it? One of my faithful faves, and that person is my auntie Paulette. A few days ago I give shout out to some of my family members, and I honestly don't know how I forget her off the list, which I know that she doesn't miss the vlog. Auntie, I'm so sorry that I didn't give you your shout out, but now you get your shout out, girl. I love you for watching and I appreciate all the love. And I also didn't give shout out to my dad, and I know my dad watches. I didn't give shout out to my dad girlfriend Alice neither, and I didn't give shout out to my sister by my dad's side, Chrissy. Oh my gosh, there's so much people that I forgot, but y'all don't kill me. I know you guys watch, and as I go along I'll remember you guys one by one. But auntie, big up yourself. Thanks for always watching. Love you so much. And big up to my cousin Ranika also, and to my other cousin Abby that watches the vlogs, and Abby mommy. Anyway, you guys, love you guys and thank you guys for all the love and all the support, and we'll do our usual subscriber shout out with Tyler later. But anyway, you guys, it's going to be a busy day. I'm heading out to drop Tyler to school. As I said, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and whatever it is that you're doing today, just attack it head on. Stay positive about it and you'll get a positive outcome. What you put in is what you'll get out. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Tyler, it's time to go. Come get your jacket on. Come on.
We're going to school where?
We're going to school down.
Down?
Yeah, come.
Okay.
And then, where are we going later?
Actually, nothing.
Later, where are we going after school?
Mommy.
Yeah, we're gonna see Grandma. You guys, I didn't tell you that later. We are heading on a road trip. We're going to see the in-laws because this weekend we have a wedding to go to. So we have a wedding to go to. Babe's best friend is getting married. One of his friends that was here with us a few weeks ago with his fiance and his baby, they're getting married. So we're heading to their wedding, which is gonna be pretty exciting weekend. So yeah, we're going to the wedding. We are leaving today and we won't be back for a few days. So, and Tyler is also going on holiday today. So it's Tyler's last day of school before his 2-week break. Yay!
This one is for the gathering.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Taffies, Taffies.
These are.
Just parked myself at McDonald's and had breakfast. It's finished. They had just a little glass of orange juice and egg and bacon sandwich, just a little one. And of course I'm early, so I'm just waiting to go across the street to my appointment to get my nails done, which should take about 2 hours, and then I'm gonna head home and pack because I have to pack when I get home. Because when we pick up Tyler from school, we're heading straight on the road to that 2.5-hour drive. So I'm about to head out to go get my nails done right now. My day has been just exhausting. So let me give you guys a story. By the way, these are my nails, and if you realize that my nails doesn't look nothing like my nails used to be. Normally I have long nails, but here's the story. I called in the week and I didn't get any appointment for my nails because they didn't have they weren't doing extensions today. So I sent Babe the next day, since that Babe were close to my nail place. I said, go and see if it's just that over the phone why I can't get an appointment, and go and get an appointment for me. He went and he got an appointment for this morning, long story short, and the appointment was 10:45. I said, okay, yay, good. This morning when I reached, only to find out that Babe appointment that he ordered was for a manicure, where they only paint and take care of the hand and stuff like that. They don't put on extension. So the appointment he booked was just to paint and hand care and not for extensions. So because the person that does extensions had another client at that time, so I said, okay, no fuss, I'll just take it. So I got these. So I just paint my nails, and I am back home and I have zero energy, you guys, zero energy. So as you can see behind me, I am going to make me some green juice right now to see if I can get my energy up, and then go and pack our suitcase because we leave in about 2.5 hours and I haven't packed as yet, and I need to tidy up this house just a little bit. It's not bad, so I don't have much to do, but I need to pack and I need to tidy the house before I leave because I don't want to leave my house a mess and come back here in a few days and it's a mess. When I say mess, it's just a little stuff here and there and sweep and stuff. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna make some green juice to try and get my energy up to pack our suitcase so we can be well on our way. And I'm gonna leave some for my baby boy. so he can drink it just before we leave here. Won't leave too much, just so he can sit before we go, and the glass for myself, and that should do the trick of getting my energy up a little bit. Oh, all this wanted to do is just to put it down in the freezer, let it chill a little bit, but I ain't got time for that right now because I need to move right along. Guys, the doorbell just rang and I'm saying I'm not expecting anyone or anything. When I look out, it was the mail and I got a package. I didn't even remember that I ordered something online. You guys guess what this is? The backsplash is here. I think that's what it is. Let me pull it and see. Yup. Hey, the backsplash is here. All right, you guys ready to see what the backsplash looks like? Pam 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 pam. This is what the backsplash is gonna look like. So let me give you guys a sneak peek into the backsplash. There we go. It's gray, black, and white. Perfect. And see if our experiments and our vision will come to life like all the rest of our vision is coming to life. So yeah, I'm excited to see how that's gonna turn out. You guys, we were just on the go, pick up Tyler from school, and we finally left home at the gas station, filling up the tank right now, and then we're gonna run by Burger King, pick up dinner, and then head on our road trip. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So we are well on our way. You don't want Burger King? What do you want? You want to see Papi and Mommy? Oh, but you have to eat first, okay? So we're gonna pick up the Burger King and we're not gonna come out the car. We're just gonna keep driving to go see Papi and Mommy, okay? Alright, can you do the notification shout out? British Robinson. Say thanks for watching. I make sure I'm making him do the shout out right now. You guys can see, babe, shout out right now, because I know that when we reach, we're gonna be so tired and we won't probably have time to do all that. So thanks girl for watching. We appreciate you. And yeah, we are on our way. It's going to be a good little drive. Hopefully I can edit some vlogs while I'm driving there, babe.
Hi guys. It's driving time.
On the move, we're on the run. Like Beyonce tour, on the run. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna go. You were gonna say something?
No. It's driving times, 2 hours and a half. We have to stop to go get something to eat.
Yep. Tyler just said he don't want Burger King. I said, what you want? You want to go see Mommy and Papi.
You should turn right this time.
Because then you'd have to go around that way, right? Yeah, you can try. And then go by the stoplight and then go right.
Yeah, I can try that.
Yeah, you can. Anyway, you guys, we're going to go by Burger King to pick up some food right now. So we'll catch you guys on our way. I look like a mad woman right now. I look like what they call it in Jamaica, one of them ladies from the Rockhead Church. You guys see how he's sleeping. He's so tired. He drove almost 3 hours. He left straight from work and just went at it. So I know that he would be knocked out. It's exactly 2 minutes after midnight and I just finished editing the vlogs. And look who is still up. He napped a little bit in the car, so when he reached here he said he wanted to watch YouTube a bit, and he's gonna go to bed now because I just finished and I'm gonna head to bed too, because tomorrow is gonna be a long day that we're looking forward to. So you guys will really enjoy that vlog too, because it's gonna be an awesome day, happy day. So Tyler, can you say night night to the faves?
Night night.
So see you guys tomorrow. Anyway, you guys, of course you guys won't get any expression because baby's off the bed, so I'm just gonna tell you guys thanks for watching. And if you're new to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and subscribe if you're new, and turn on your notification bell. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which is tomorrow, so don't miss it, okay? And if you don't get your notification, just go to our channel because a vlog is there every single day. Shoddy. Anyway, you guys, see y'all tomorrow.